Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Quella addresses assault allegations.
Oh, so watch your style. Nobody not perfect, man. You see me, so we'll visit this, you see me. And the idea we are whosoever, you know, something come to a conclusion though.
Last month, Star took to social media claiming that the DJ abused her, resulting in brain damage and a broken bone. E-Prime understands that the incident allegedly arose after Star requested privacy to undress for a music video featuring the DJ in which she and several other women had been booked to appear. Leroy Sibbles, Capleton and Beres Hammond honored with Reggae Icon Award. On Tuesday evening, Jamaica marked its 63rd anniversary of independence with a grand spectacle at the National Stadium during the National Grand Gala. But it wasn't just Jamaica's independence that was celebrated. Reggae legends Leroy Sibbles, Capleton and Beres Hammond were also recognized for their contribution to the growth and global popularity of Jamaican music, receiving the Reggae Icon Award.
Great pleasure to present this award to the fireman, Capleton, Leroy Sibbles, Hugh Beresford Hammond, OJ.
You know, all of you allowed me to tour almost the world. And everywhere I go, I will want to come back fast. Because you know why? Not like this. Brand Jamaica, yeah? Every song just make you rock.
Massive! This one is for you! And for all the things that I did. And all that I do. Blessed love. How much I love you. Yeah.
So all the people of Jamaica and all my fans worldwide, you know what I mean? It's a great joy, you know what I mean? To be honored tonight, you know, as Jamaica celebrate 63 years of independence.
But that's what you think you are, living in a small world. Small world, don't part your thing. But I said that to the air, run gala!
The awards were presented by the government of Jamaica through the Ministry of Culture and Entertainment. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.